Balaji Plast Pack is a RAJKOT, Gujarat, India-based leading manufacturer and exporter of all type pouch packing machine. We introduce Balaji Plast Pack as a pioneers in pouch packing machinery with strong foundation in the manufacturing of pouch packing machines. We have more than 20 years experience in this field. This is 3-side sealing machine suitable to pack Supari, tobacco, pan masala, tablets, sugar, salt, seeds, Variyali, disposable syringes, pharmaceuticals, etc. We have modern facility and quality products. We have professional and experienced personnel in all our department, efficient management, skilled team, state-of-art infrastructure and standard process are the real strength of Balaji Plast Pack for meeting complete customer satisfaction. Purity, wide range, innovations, hard work and customer satisfaction are the secrets of the success of Balaji Plast Pack. We have modern facility and quality products. Balaji Plast Pack has technically strong management team having rich and diverse experience in the pouch packing machinery field. All the products are manufactured with latest technology. Our endeavor is to produce top-most quality products and to provide a very high level of customer service. If any query, contact us, or visit www.balajiplastpack.com. Thank you from Balaji Plast Pack.